What's going on, everyone? So today's video, we're going to be doing some tool cleaning, and we're going to show you how take this old rusty socket and turn it into this. We're also going to be going over some air tool cleaning and maintenance. So make sure to like and subscribe and leave any tips and tricks you have in the comments. So, the main ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some baking soda, white vinegar, some WD-40, couple buckets, some water, and then for the air tools, you're going to need some sort of air tool lubricant, whatever your preferred brand is. I personally like the Lucas, but it's whatever you want to use. So out here, we're going to be doing a lot of tools. We got my personal tools from inside the shop, and then we got all of my work tools. I've really let these poor things go for a long time. As you can see, there's a lot of rust on them. Quite a bit. So what you're going to want to do, you want to put some vinegar in here. We're probably going to have to buy some more to do this many tools, but we'll see. And then you're just going to go ahead and drop your tools in there. Now, you probably can't see it, but they're fizzing right now, and that's the vinegar working on the rust. So you're just going to let this sit for about 4 to 6 hours. All right, so we got these tools soaking. We're going to let them go for about, 4 to 5 hours. Don't know if you can see it, but they're bubbling. So they're starting to work. And while we're doing that, we're going to go ahead, get all these air tools cleaned up and conditioned. But first, you need to take a hydration break. That's better. So I use this bad boy quite a bit at work. It's pretty good for shocks on them semis. Can get in tight spaces. Old Harbor Freight. Ain't had much problems with them yet. Maybe once this goes out, I'll get a snap-on, but we'll see. Just go ahead and get this cleaned up a little. Get a lot of that rust off. Let's get her nice and cleaned up. Especially with how cold it's been outside. Since I'm a mobile guy, I've been having to keep my tools in the cab of the truck just because it gets so cold in the back. Got a little of that dust off. Go ahead and throw some WD right on here. And then pretty much all you're going to do is you're going to use your go-to brand of air tool lubricant. Just going to right down the hole while you keep the trigger open. Just going to go ahead and pour some on down in there. And then what you're going to want to do, I don't know if you can see if this will focus. See it going on down in there. And what you're going to want to do is hook it up to your air compressor and run it a couple times. So this has been soaking for about 4 hours now. we went ahead and dumped out all that white vinegar and put water in here. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Pretty dirty water, all from that rust coming off. So what you're going to want to do in your water is you're going to want to add a little bit of baking soda. It'll help neutralize everything and all the acid from the vinegar. And dump some in there. Dump some in here. And just give it all a good shake. So here is the final product. Got it decently clean. Better than what it was. I think next time we're going to try some of that, what do you call it? Electrostatic or electromagnet shock stuff. But yeah, not too bad. Just want to make sure you lube them up before you put them away. Some people say to use some 3-in-1. I'm just going to use some PB Blaster and see what happens. But yeah, a lot better than what it was. If you liked this video, make sure to like it and subscribe and leave any comments you got.